Hello students, today I'm going to teach you how to draw in one-point perspective. All you need is a pencil and a ruler. The first thing you want to do is to draw a horizontal line in the middle of your page using your ruler, like this. The next thing you want to do is to draw a dot in the middle. Now this line right here is called eye level. I'll explain why in a minute. Something that helps me remember that this is eye level is I turn this little dot into a stick figure. That's because wherever this little man is looking is where we're going to be able to see our shapes. Artists will also call this line a horizon line because it's where the sky meets the land, the horizon, like if you were at the beach looking out at the ocean. This would be the sky and this would be the water. Now, let's practice. Draw a square somewhere up here on the left. Now, you're going to connect your ruler with each corner of the square and the vanishing point. Imagine that this is you and you're standing here and you're looking up at this square. You would be able to see up underneath it and off to on this side. So we're going to be lining up these three corners that are in view of our little man, and we're going to draw a line from each of the corners to the vanishing point. These lines right here that connect the shape to the vanishing point are called orthogonal lines. And artists use them to draw in correct perspective. Now, can you see the beginnings of a three-dimensional shape here? It's going to go from a square to a cube. So we're looking up at this shape and we need to take the side of this square and turn it into a cube. Now notice how this line starts and stops between these two orthogonal lines. We need to copy that and make it parallel. So the easiest way to do that is to take your ruler and line it up and scooch it over and draw the side of the square. Starting to look like a cube now. Now we need to draw the bottom of the box. Now because this makes a corner, to make it a correct cube, this needs to make a corner too. And remember, we need to keep it parallel. So start with the bottom of your square, slide it down so it stays parallel, and draw a line. Notice how this corner and this corner line up. Sometimes I will add some value to the side of the cube to give it even more three-dimensional qualities.